Hello there! This video explains how to test brake fluid on a Nissan Primera P12. Why bother? Because you can check whether it's safe, in good condition and capable of stopping your car even in tough conditions. If it's not, you can then replace it before you press the brake pedal and find your car won't stop. Literally. And guess what? It's easy to test brake fluid and all you need is one of these. I mean one of these, and they're not expensive. This brake fluid tester only costs £25 and you can get one for considerably less than that. What on earth is that doing in there? Welcome to Car Spy TV. Right, let's take a moment to recap the basics so we fully understand a brake fluid tester. When you press the brake pedal, a vast amount of energy passes through the brake fluid. This creates a lot of heat, but that isn't typically a problem. Good brake fluid can cope with the heat. However, bad brake fluid can't. It therefore boils, turns into vapour, and you'll struggle to stop the car without ploughing into a brick wall. Did you not test your brake fluid? Now, when brake fluid is brand new, it has a very high boiling point. Let's say, for example, 225 Celsius. However, over time, it absorbs water from the atmosphere and, as you know, water typically boils at only 100 Celsius. So, brake fluid that contains water boils at a lower temperature than when it's brand new. The more water it contains, the lower the boiling point. A brake fluid tester confirms what percentage of water the brake fluid contains and, therefore, how likely it is to boil and make it difficult to stop your car. Right, here's how to test the brake fluid on a Nissan Primera P12. To get started, open the bonnet and find the brake fluid reservoir. It's here, close to the windscreen. Now, look at the blue cap to establish what type of brake fluid the vehicle contains. As you can see, on this car it's .4. Bear that in mind for later. Next, unscrew the blue cap and remove the filter. Let's now have a closer look at the brake fluid tester I have here. Don't worry if yours is different, most of them work in broadly the same way. So, press the power button to switch it on. We now need to press either .3, .4 or .5.1 depending what type of fluid we're testing. We've already looked at the cap on the reservoir so we know it's .4. We therefore press .4. Now dip this probe into the reservoir and make sure that its tip is fully submerged. Finally, see what percentage of water the brake fluid contains via the screen. This sample contains about 2%. On this tester, anything up to 1.5% is okay. 1.6 to 2.9% is more water than you really want, but particularly if it's towards the lower end of the scale, you might not feel the need to immediately replace your brake fluid. However, from 3%, the machine says stop driving the car and replace the brake fluid immediately. It also beeps and the screen goes red. I'll show you. In this bottle, there's some brake fluid that I've removed from my Nissan Primera P12. So, we know that it currently contains about 2% water. Not for long though. Let's add some water and take a reading. And there you go, the brake fluid tester's going nuts. Okay, we have a couple of final points to consider. 1. When you finish with the tester, don't forget to clean the tip of its probe so it's uncontaminated for next time. And 2. Brake fluid is nasty stuff, so don't let it get on your car's paintwork. It can cause a lot of damage and that will make you feel worse than that bloke on the news who lost his winning lottery ticket. Don't worry though. I found it for him! And that's it. That's how to test brake fluid on a Nissan Primera P12. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content, ask any questions in the comments section, and do me a favour and click like on this video. Also, check out the Nissan Primera Owners Club, which is a fantastic resource. Find it at www.npoc.co.uk. Right, that's all for now. I wonder what else is in this box. Oh, that's just weird.